right, so I am back once again, bringing some knowledge, have money. I just did a speech or a presentation to a class tonight, some aspiring entrepreneurs. So happy for them. And, I was saying, we got to learn some of this just general terminologies, especially when we're in business, right? We have to know this general accounting terminology. So one thing I want to talk about today is the chart of accounts. I know that a lot of people hear that, may not know exactly what it is, but I want to, in the class tonight, I told them, you don't have to have an extensive list on your chart of accounts. It can just be very basic. And matter of fact, you do want to keep it basic. I mean, I used to have this plethora of charts of accounts, and it's just not necessary. So what are the chart of accounts, right? Let me give it a quick definition. It is a list of names and numbers systemically organized of accounts, right? And so what does that mean? Well, I think for me, it's always good to be able to see things. So let's see, chart of accounts, here we go. I'm going to share my screen. And this is, again, a very short and brief depiction of what charts of accounts are. So I'll start with the expenses because I think we're all familiar with these, right? If we're in business, we definitely understand that we might have advertising and marketing fees, bank charges and fees, car and truck. And I just kind of just throw everything into the car and truck category primarily as a consultant. My big expense for car and truck and anyone's is going to be gas. So you can also, if you lump these things together, you can always change them, especially if you have an effective accounting system like QuickBooks. Donations, that is kind of common. Dues and subscriptions, insurance, right? Legal and professional services. And then you have subcategories of that: accounting, your attorney, general contractors, information technology. And again, remember that you have these charts, you can always change them. Meals and entertainment, office supplies. Again, these are some of the general charts of accounts that we're used to seeing, and they're enough. That's all you need to start, right? But if you get to a point where you need more, they can always be refined. So then these are your revenue accounts. You can have one that just simply says revenue. And then again, if you have different classifications of your revenue, such as, service revenue, or if you sell a product, you can have those classified differently. But at the beginning, just have a revenue account, no big deal. Interest income, that is another account, but that's going to show at the bottom under other income. And then we have, pause. Then we have our balance sheet accounts. And I'm not going to go too deep into those, but these are some of the general balance sheet accounts: accounts receivable, inventory asset, payroll, corrections, accounts payable. These two, of course, are some of the primary ones: AP, AR, and cost of goods sold. That's actually on the income statement. That is not a part of the balance sheet. In any case, that is a short overview of the chart of accounts. And I hope that you enjoyed it. Go to my website, sign up for my mailing list, JRambus.com. And I will see you as we continue to get knowledge, have money, have knowledge, have money. All right. Have a good day.